What's going on, guys? We are here with Jovany's bike. We were trying to seal off the belt cover because it had water coming in. But then when we went to go put back the secondary clutch here, we snapped the bolt inside the transmission. So now we got to see what to do to take that bolt out, because otherwise we got to take the transmission out, which I do not want to do. Brother! You don't understand how excited I am. Brother! This! Bro. Alright, guys, so as you can tell, look at this bad boy. This was stuck inside the secondary, pretty much the transmission. But it was so stuck far in there, I was so worried that I wasn't going to be able to take it out. And look at this bad boy. That thing came out. With this, with these tools here, brother, life changing. I really thought I was not gonna be able to get it out, but look, came out. So now we're gonna go find the nice grade 8 bolt, put it back in, put everything back together, and ready to roll. All right, guys, we're on the way to Ace to get that secondary clutch bolt, put everything back together, and everything should be good to go. Too many ugga-duggas on that secondary bolt. What a mistake, but whatever. Here we are. So we just went to Ace. We got the bolts we needed. Well, just that one bolt that we broke. Now we're gonna put the secondary clutch back in, get everything assembled, and that's it. She's ready to rip. Hopefully we got no issues moving forward. Alright, we're just putting back the secondary clutch, putting everything back together, assembling everything, and that's it. What do we got here, brother?
Putting on the cover of the belt.
Put on the cover on the belt. We already tightened up everything. We're here with the Polaris. Got Jovany over here, finishing up a couple of items. Putting the floorboards back on, all the plastics on, and we're gonna go ahead and test her out.
You think it's because of silicone?
No, maybe because there's still water in there.
But how? We haven't put water in it yet. And
Yes, but it stayed in the front.
Stayed in the front?
We should take off the plug.
Want me to grab the tool?
Yeah, grab. Remember how last time when you got water in there?
Yeah.
You have to ride it for a bit with it open.
Yeah.
Maybe that's what it is. Look, woo! That's the problem right there, brother. Oh. That's the problem right there, Shin.
I wonder what's slipping.
A little slipperoo. Does it always say release brakes?
Yeah, it always says that. No, not always. They started doing it, but not so long ago. I have to figure out how to fix that.
Yeah. Here, hold this. Let me go ride it around a bit. No, I see that happen to you, right?
Yeah.
Remember, because here, water gets trapped in the front right here.
Get that bolt out?
You told about it?
Yeah.
Got the beans or what? Alright, so we tested out the belt, the actual cover and everything, but it looks like it's still leaking, so it might be that secondary seal on the secondary side, so that might be the issue.